Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel Scale Up. In this quick tutorial, I will show you how you can create community chat in Messenger. It's super easy to do. Let me show you how you can do it. Open up your Messenger app and then log into your account, and you have to simply do is click on that main menu, and then simply you will see the menu options over here. So you have to do is click on that communities, and then you will see over here this menu over here, or like you can simply see over here this option when you click on community. So you have to simply do is click on get started and then select the community about, and about like what type of community you are creating on Messenger. So you can see over here campus, gaming, neighborhood, or social, organization and groups, enemies, or like music or movies, and like TVs, shows, or like that. You can simply describe over here and then click on continue, and like click on continue, and then you have to simply do is type over here the community name. Like I want to give it like scale up tech, and then you can simply change the intro as well of the community. You can simply welcome everyone. This community is for members to chat and share important updates as well. You can change it to on your own, but in case you have the 150 words to use in this intro, so above this you will never save this. And then you will see over here require approval to join. If you want to turn this on, whenever anyone joins your community, they want approval of you to join your community. And then simply, if you don't want to approve, so you have to simply do is turn off this and then click on preview. And whenever somebody joins your community, they will never uh, approve, or like they didn't want to approval from you. So that's it. And then you will see over here this option. For that, you can simply create the three other options over here, like announcement, events, or like recommendations as well. But in case it's default on main chat is default by created, so you have to simply do is click on other ones that you want to add in it. So simply create community, and then it's gonna be created your community. And as you can see, you can simply invite your members over here. If you have added some friends on Facebook or like Messenger, they will pop-ups over here. So you have to simply send this link to your friends and then add them in your community, and that's it. And that's how you can create your community. As you can see over here, the menu, or like the home page of your community is like that. And that's it. That's how you can do it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like my video, subscribe my channel Scale Up, and also drop me a comment for more tips and tricks videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Have a nice day. Bye bye.